To build a hotel booking website with WordPress, start by selecting a robust booking plugin like WP Hotel Booking or WooCommerce Bookings. These plugins allow you to manage room types, rates, and availability directly within WordPress. Next, properly set up your room management with custom post types or taxonomies for each room. This includes detailing amenities, adding photos, and configuring pricing rules for different seasons or occupancy levels. Integrate a real-time availability calendar using tools that sync with external property management systems. This prevents double bookings and ensures accurate availability display for guests. Finally, securely process payments by integrating gateways like Stripe or PayPal. This ensures PCI compliance and provides a smooth user experience from booking to confirmation with tools to manage all transactions. Stay ahead by embracing AI and automation through plugins that offer dynamic pricing and chatbots, significantly reducing manual workload. Prioritize a mobile-first approach with progressive web apps for fast loading and offline functionality, as mobile bookings dominate the market. Embrace sustainability by adding eco-friendly features like carbon footprint calculators to align with environmental trends. Looking ahead, expect blockchain integration for secure payments and VR/AR previews for rooms to enhance user experience. Remember, seamless integrations, mobile responsiveness, and security are paramount. Continuous innovation is crucial to maintain WordPress's edge against emerging no-code platforms.